inside this box, which despite what it says hasn't come to me from Australia, is one of these jobs that I do for other people. This is just a simple, could I refurbish it and do what we have been known to do with the old vacuum cleaner, and in this case a Hoover Turbomaster. And I said yes, and it arrived, and about 2 months later we are going to unbox it and check that it did survive, which I think it has, see what state this Hoover Turbomaster is in, and perhaps brave turning it on. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yeah, proper mystery box this. All I know is that it is a Hoover Turbomaster, so how hard could it be, really? We seem to have the entire wiring loom here, which is always interesting to see. Yes, there are a fair few many parts in here, because again, the collector who has this machine, you know, he hasn't got time to refurbish it. He'll have to be obvious. I haven't got time either. That's why it's been sat 3 months. But you know, semantics. Yeah. So we have a belt, and we have what looks to be a lower cord hook, which we shall leave there very safely indeed. Yeah, there are a few parts for this inside of the bar. Oh my goodness, the box. So. This is going to be interesting. I hope it was supposed to do that, and that this machine is indeed in pieces, because here we have the top part of this total system with, I do suspect, a slightly different bag door. But yeah, actually this is fitting in well with how I was, sold this project to do. So there's that. We are still tethered to the box though, so we're gonna put that there so I don't lean on it, and unpack the rest of this to see what else we have. And well, immediately here's a fairly useful part. I wonder one day we should try and make a Powerhead Turbo Power or Turbomaster. One day. We have a U5078, and actually now that I have this out, it's this bit that's wrong. The back door is correct. It is this nice minty green colour down here. Very nice. The mandatory mouldy bumper, and underneath, it's not terrible. Yeah, something's amiss there, but hey, it survived. It's a Turbomaster that has been through the British postal system, and not gonna lie, it's going back in these parts as well. Sorry, but you're gonna have to perhaps do a little bit of reassembly yourself. Right, well that's all of that. Now we can get the cable out and play plug bingo. And we have ourselves, what is this? This is a generic-y plug, really. I thought it was going to be a WG. I think it's a WG clone, but old and nice-ish enough. What else do we have? We have the recline lock push. Yes, the handle, very good. That's probably going to be it. Yeah, that is it inside of that box. So, yeah, we have ourselves a bit of a jigsaw if we're going to want to hear this run before we make a start on it. Look, it's been underwater. Yeah, okay. Do we turn it on at all before I've actually refurbished it? Let's start investigating first of all. Okie dokie, let's see how this thing comes apart, because I want to check that the motor even spins, I think, looking at the state of everything else. Oh, look at that, a completely different screw. Fine. Okay, not horrendous. Hoover belts, very nice. Obviously, we have new belts, and actually now that I've got this off, I can see that the motor is spinning very nicely indeed, even if, sorry to brush roll through the belts. We are going to have to go further though. And actually, why? Because we got to fit this, but I'm now looking over there and it's got one in it already. So, I don't actually know if we can put it together, even if we wanted to, because why have we got a spare wiring loom, which never normally goes that wrong? Oh, yeah, look, everything's been apart because the little suppressor thing is wobbling around in there. I don't actually think I want to put power through this, certainly not without, maybe it's these two screws here that we should take apart, the ones that hold this piece on, and this piece comes out. Okay, yeah, look, it's all, yeah, look, good job we didn't just plug it in, because all of that was just stuffed down there. Yeah, okie dokie. Blimey. Yeah, I don't think we're going to put power to it that way. I think we're going to have a think. And with just a quick check inside this plug to see that it's going to be safe to plug in, there's a weird modern jade fuse in there. But yeah, it's good enough. Pop it back together. What I've done is just wired that random spare loom that we have straight into the motor, taped the connections nicely apart and to themselves, and then wired the cable into this chocolate block, and in theory it's either going to explode or run. Oh, it's not going to run. Oh dear. Well, let's check the simple things first. Oh dear, the fuse is fine. That means that, hopefully I've messed something up plugging it in. It's been a minute or two since I played with the Turbomaster. We have neutral to there. We have live to there. Oh look, I can check up at the pins. Yeah, no, okay, let me... Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah, because then it goes to a random live. Yeah, okay. Let me get the hood back off, triple check my connections and see if we can fire her up. Oh, I do feel stupid, folks. Here I am. Look, I've got previous pictures up. I've got the multimeter out. The hood off. She looks quite clean under here. I wasn't getting a live from the live to the motor. Neutral was fine. I couldn't work it out. And so I've remembered something that we should probably put in line, because I just can't be bothered to bodge it. There's just not much point. If I can just slide, there we go, this in there, it should now. I'm not going to put the hood back on, but no, let's just put the base plate on and we'll see how sparky it is. Right, I've got the height up as far as it will go, and in theory now, what's wrong now? No, for some reason it's not running. I have continuity from this pin to that connector, which is as far as one can easily go. Oh my goodness, right, it's off. There's no sparks. Have we got no, the coil wire is connected. There's no coil wire on that side. I don't know. Not corroded, because again I can get continuity from the pin. There's something else perhaps amiss. The carbon brushes seem okay, but it's not spinning. I don't quite know, but it's not the wiring, it's the motor. And the problem is, when I get into the motor to have a look, I might as well carry on and just strip the entire thing apart. So I think that's what I'm going to do. We're going to leave it here for now. Look, there's our tool port, big spring under there. Yeah, I'm going to leave this for now. We're going to not know if it worked before, although again, judging by how well it spins, it's going to sound fine. It's just going to be a bit dry. New bearings will fix that, and it's going to be easier for us to try and figure out what the heck is wrong with it. Or comment down below if you think you have any ideas. But until the next time, I, and hopefully this very interesting Hoover Turbomaster, although hopefully with less green, we'll see you soon, and it'll be a lot less of a jigsaw puzzle. Happy hoovering!